Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thank you for asking me, what is Stand Your Ground? Stand Your Ground, or SYG, is a pretrial motion that seeks a court order granting you absolute immunity from criminal prosecution. When you use Stand Your Ground, you basically say to the court, I should not have been arrested because I was lawfully defending myself at the time. The concept of SYG stems from the common law Castle Doctrine. That held you have no duty to retreat if you are on your own property and you reasonably believe that you're going to have to use force to protect yourself, your property, or another. The main difference between traditional self-defense and Stand Your Ground is that Stand Your Ground removes the duty to retreat, and it extends the lack of a duty to retreat to anywhere within the entire state, provided that you're found to have been acting reasonably under the circumstances. I know this is a bit confusing, so here's an example. Let's say you're a drug dealer on a street corner, and a guy comes towards you. He reaches into his waistband and he draws a firearm. You, believing that you're in imminent danger of being robbed or killed, draw your own firearm and you shoot the guy. Even though you're a drug dealer, under Florida's Stand Your Ground law, you used that amount of force, which was reasonably necessary under the circumstances, to defend your own life. You had no duty to retreat, and it makes no difference that you were engaged in an unlawful act at the time. The idea with Stand Your Ground is that it doesn't matter who you are, where you are, or what you're doing. All that matters in SYG is that you act reasonably under the circumstances, and that you have no duty to retreat, and you have no obligation to get yourself killed. Thank you for your question. I appreciate your asking it, and I invite you to ask me more. Please remember at Michael A. HaberPA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, please subscribe. We'll be putting out more soon.